Welcome to Cephalika tutorial. We have started a lecture series for students of B.Ed degree program. Today's topic is intelligence. In this lecture, we discuss about the concept of intelligence, definitions of intelligence, characteristics of intelligence, and finally, the nature of intelligence. So let's start with concept of intelligence. Intelligence is a very wide concept which not only means the intellectual activities but also includes the capabilities for solving practical problems of life as well. We use the word intelligence in everyday life. Dictionary has defined it as the capacity to acquire and apply knowledge in our day-to-day life. It is intelligence that makes man differ from the animal. Endowed with certain cognitive abilities, man is able to reason, think, discriminate, understand, adjust, and face new situations. Therefore, man is superior to animals in all such aspects of behavior. Besides this, attitude, interest, knowledge, skill, etc. all are associated with the concept of intelligence. The word intelligence is derived from the Latin verb intelligere, which means understanding. The word intelligence finds fairly comprehensive use, but it has been defined in a number of ways by the psychologists. One group of psychologists have defined intelligence as a general mental ability to learn. Another group have defined intelligence as the power of adaptation or adjustment to his or her environment. There are so many definitions of intelligence. We state some of the definitions among them. According to Stern, intelligence is general mental adaptability to new problems and conditions of life. According to Buckingham, intelligence is the ability to learn. According to Binet, intelligence is the ability of the completeness of understanding, inventiveness, persistence in a given task, and critical judgment. Thorndike defined as intelligence is the power to good response from the point of view of truth or fact. After going through the concept and various definitions of intelligence, now we are able to understand that intelligence is not a single or simple faculty, but a compound of various elements. Following characteristics reveal clearly the concept and ideas of intelligence. Intelligence is the power or capacity of human being. Intelligence is the power or capacity of human being which helps to make reason, understanding, and well judgment. Intelligence is the capacity which is innate as well as acquired. Next point is, intelligence means all-round mental efficiency. All-round mental efficiency means that it includes all the qualities in mental development of an individual. Though the process of intelligence, the whole general and abstract thinking, reasoning powers and revealed. Next, intelligence is a power of good response from the point of truth. As a global or aggregate capacity of an individual, intelligence is a conglomeration of many powers as a whole in the structure of truth. Intelligence is the ability of adaptation and adjusting to a new situation. According to Wells, an environment psychologist, intelligence is the property of recombining our behavior pattern so as to act better in a novel situation. It means that intelligence is the potent factor through which the adjustment and readjustment to any situation is easily possible. Intelligence is the ability for abstract thinking as well as the capacity to learn from the past experience. That is, intelligence is the ability to think abstractly. It is also the capacity to learn from the past experience, and hence it makes the profitable use of the past. Intelligence is not knowledge, though acquisition of knowledge depends to a great extent on intelligence and vice versa. It develops a sense of discrimination between right or wrong. Intelligence is mostly determined by heredity, but a suitable environment necessary to improve it. These are some characteristics of intelligence. Now, we see what is the nature of intelligence. Intelligence is an innate natural endowment. Intelligence depends on the nervous system but is not a physical process. Intelligence helps to adapt to new situations by solving various problems in the shortest possible time. Intelligence is the power of abstract thinking. Intelligence helps to acquire knowledge, skills, and techniques in various subjects. By intellect, new situation can be explained with the help of past experience. Intelligence enables one to reach a conclusion by determining the correct relationship between different subjects. The intellect is able to employ the workforce to accomplish a single purpose by restarting instinct and agitation when necessary. Intelligence is a universal power that can be used to achieve other secondary powers. Intelligence is broadly distributed among the people in accordance with the principle of normal distribution. That is, a large section of the population is endowed with average intelligence and very few people have sharp and weak intelligence. So these are the nature of intelligence. For today's lesson, that's all. Thank you.